Hi everybody, it's Krystal here from Stay at Home Mum. I'm just busy doing some activities with Sophie, but what we have done is teamed up with the awesome people at Expedia who have shared their Explorer Journal. So this is a really great way of talking about past holidays that you had or places you'd like to visit in the future. I know with a lot of restrictions at the moment, our travel is limited, but there's some really great places in this country to visit and we're excited to do that over the Christmas break. I'll share with you a little bit of Spencer's here. He's a bit camera shy, but he's happy to share his journal. So if you have a look, we've got places he's visited, his favourite travel memory. He interviewed me, places we'd been, who we were with, what we've seen, some trivia, so where in the world. So there really is something for everyone. And you can see Sophie is over here busy doing her little journal and gluing away. So do yourself a favour, I'll add the link above. Get on and get the kids onto their Explorer Journal and talk about places you've been and where you'd like to go. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Bye.